Hi, and welcome back to the Ucraft Next tutorial series. In this playlist, we explain how to navigate through the visual editor to create ultimate web designs that will speak to your brand story. If you missed our introductory video on the visual editor, make sure to give it a watch. Let's dig right in. In our visual editor, the layout automatically responds and reflows as the content within it changes. Switch between breakpoints and see your design automatically adapt to other screen sizes. Go to the structure tree to understand the elements' hierarchy and seamlessly interact with them when doing changes. Here we have our four main sections: header, content, sidebar, and footer, which all share the highest level in your website's hierarchy. The styles you'll apply to each of them will be inherited by their children, but won't extend to the other three main sections. For example, setting 16-pixel padding for the content will change the padding of all the blocks within it, but won't apply to the header, sidebar, and footer. Remember, the more indented an element is, the lower its position in the hierarchy and vice versa. Select the needed element right from the structure tree, or alternate between the hierarchy levels by clicking on the widget. Alternatively, press and hold the Control button on Windows or the Command button on Mac to immediately access the needed widget. And there you have it. Remember to keep these concepts in mind as you continue designing your website or online store in Ucraft Next. Up next, we'll be covering how to navigate through our design system, the hub of all your creative endeavors. Questions? We're just a click away, 24/7.